Hi everyone, it's Amelia from Twinkle, South Africa, and in today's video we're going to be making Christmas chocolate chip cookies. This is a great activity for the little ones during the Christmas holidays. You can also put your cookies under the Christmas tree on Christmas Eve for Father Christmas to pick them up when he's putting his little presents under the tree. This recipe is super simple. The ingredients are very minimal. You'll be able to be done with your cookies in 30 minutes. Come on, let's get started. Alright, so you're going to start off by getting a bowl and adding your butter. Inside, I ran out of butter, so then I used margarine. Add some brown sugar. Mix those two ingredients into a paste like so. Then you get to add your egg. Add your vanilla essence and then mix that into a watery paste. Now it's time to add dry ingredients, so let's start with your flour, salt of course, and some baking powder. Then you mix that up until all of the white flour is not visible, like so. Then you get your chocolate chips, or if you don't have chocolate chips, just cut up a slab of chocolate like so. Mix it into your dough. You get your pan and your baking paper, and then you're gonna take some dough, roll it up in your hands into a little ball. Then you're gonna place it onto the pan and make sure that you space them out really well, because they're gonna expand in the oven when they start heating up and cooking and baking and all of that good stuff. I added 6 in one pan and I did the rest in another pan, so you're gonna get 12 cookies in total. Then you're gonna time it in the oven for 15 minutes. They're gonna come out looking this beautiful and magnificent, and you're gonna enjoy with your kids and leave some for Santa or Father Christmas under the tree. For more educational resources, please do click the link in the description box.